Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the opal stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the mini bean stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch in this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Into the next stitch, we're going to make the mini bean stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that through all 4 loops to complete that mini bean stitch. Now into the next stitch, make a single crochet. And that is our sequence. So we're going to be alternating between the mini bean stitch and the single crochet. So into this next stitch, make the mini bean stitch, insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have 4 loops, yarn over, take that through all 4 loops, make a single crochet in the next stitch, make a mini bean stitch in the next stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, make a single crochet, make a mini bean stitch, and then into the last stitch of this row, make a single crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the opal stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.